Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani-American news channel. Kesser Mustafa from New York. When will Donald Trump take office as US President? Republican Donald Trump will be the next US President after he defeated Democrat Kamala Harris in November's election. President Donald Trump previously served as US President between 2017 and 2021. He has spoken to world leaders including Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, UK Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer, and Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky. Ahead of the inauguration, the president-elect and his team have received classified national security briefings covering current threats and ongoing military operations. President Donald Trump has also nominated more than 24 people to fill key roles, some of whom are controversial. These include Fox News presenter and military veteran Pete Hegseth as Defense Secretary. Since his nomination, Hegseth has faced questions about his qualifications, and a past sexual assault allegation has surfaced. He denies any wrongdoing. President Donald Trump's pick for Health Secretary is Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who has repeatedly stated widely debunked claims about vaccine harm. President Donald Trump nominated his longtime ally Pam Bondi to be Attorney General. His first choice, former Congressman Matt Gaetz, withdrew after facing intense security over allegations, which he denies, of wrongdoing related to drugs, bribes, and sex. President Donald Trump's pick for cabinet roles must be approved by the United States Senate. Billionaire businessman Elon Musk will head up the newly announced Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, alongside former Republican president candidate Vivek Ramaswamy, with a brief to cut spending and eliminate waste. DOGE will be an advisory body rather than an official government department, and Musk and Ramaswamy have said they will serve as outside volunteers. President Donald Trump has nominated two relatives, his daughter, Tiffany's father-in-law, Massad Boulos, as an advisor on Arab and Middle Eastern affairs, and his other daughter Ivanka's father-in-law, Charles Kushner, to serve as ambassador to France. He has nominated businessman Warren Stephens to be ambassador to the UK. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.